Hello children, let's draw some shapes. Black color. Square. Cross. Right angle. Pie. Heart. Hexagon. Let's learn some colors. Blue color, pink color, red color, brown color, yellow color, orange color, blue color, square, green color, cross, red color, right angle, pink color, pie, sky blue color, heart, black color, hexagon, blue color, square, green color, cross, red color, right angle, pink color, pie, sky blue color, heart, black color, hexagon. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.